previous question number 9. This question contains a dependent current source in branch which is common to both of mesh 1 and mesh 2. So we will apply a super mesh analysis in this circuit. Our super mesh is this. This one is a super mesh and this is simple mesh. We will apply only mesh analysis on mesh 2 and we will apply super mesh analysis on mesh 1 and mesh 2. Okay. Apply. Here super. Apply KVL in super. Starting from here in clockwise direction, we will proceed. Here, this is increase in potential, so positive pair, and here the sign is like this. Current flowing downward. So overall current flowing in 4 ohm resistor is downward. Overall current flowing downward is I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2 minus of 4 I1 minus I2. Here the current flowing left to right. The overall current flowing left to right is I3. This is I3 flowing in this one clockwise. So I3 flowing in left to right, I2 flowing right to left in 10 ohm resistor. So the value potential drop minus 10 into I3 minus I2. Okay. Here minus 1 into I3 minus 7 into I3 which equals to 0. Here the sign is 190. Let's simplify this. Minus 4I1 minus only minus 4I1 minus 4I1 I2 plus 4I2 plus 10I2 49 plus 40 I2 I3 minus 10I3 here minus I3 here minus 7I2 minus 18 I3 equals to minus 10. I can simply write it. If I divide 2 in both left and right side of this equation, minus 2I1 plus 7I2 minus 9I3 equals to minus 5. Yes or no? And applying mesh analysis, applying KVL in mesh 2. Applying KVL in mesh 2, starting from here in clockwise direction, this is positive, this is negative. Total current flowing 4 ohm resistor in upward direction is I3 minus I1. So minus 4 into I3 minus I1. Here total current flowing only I2. Sorry, this is I3, not I3. This is I3. So total current minus 5 I2. Here total current flowing minus 9 I2. Here total current flowing right to left, I2 minus I3 minus 10 I2 minus I3 equals to 0. Simplify this. Here I1, this is minus plus 4I1 I2 minus 4I2 minus 9 I2 minus 9 minus 18 minus 10 minus 28 I3 plus 10 I3 equals to 0 equation by inspection here the total current flowing in this branch contains 3 ampere in upward direction is here I3 flowing upward, I1 flowing downward. So total current flowing upward direction is I3 minus I1. So I3 minus I1 equals to 3. This is equation. Okay. From this equation, I3 I can write 3 plus I1. Yes or no? I3 I can write 3 plus I1. Putting this value in equation 1 and 2. Putting I3 value in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2. First in equation 1 minus 2I1, yes or no, plus 7 I2 minus 9 into this value 3 plus of I1 equals to minus 5. Yes or no? Simplify this. Minus 2I1 here minus 9 minus 11 I1 plus 7 I2 equals to here minus into 3 minus 9 into 3 minus 27. If I take it right side plus 27 minus 5 plus 22 plus 22. That is equation number 4. And again putting the value of I2 in this question. 4 I1 minus 28 I2 plus 10 into this value 3 plus I1 equals to 0. Okay. Simplifying this is 4 I1 plus 10 I1 14 I1. Yes or no? 14 I1. This is minus 28 I2. This is 10 into 3 30 plus 30 in left side. If I take it to right side, it will become minus 30. Yes or no? If I divide it to both sides, this equation becomes 7I1 minus 14 I2 equal to minus 50. Equation. From equation 4 and 5. From equation 4 and 5. From equation 4. From equation 4 I can write the I2 equals to 22 plus 11 I1 divided by 7. Yes or no? I2 equals to this one. Putting this value in equation 5. Putting I2 value in equation 5. Putting I2 value in equation 5. Equation 5 is 7 I1 minus 14 into the value of I2 is 22 plus 11 I1 divided by 7. Yes or no? And equals to minus 50. This is minus 2. So this is 7 I1. This is 2 minus 44. This is minus 22 I1 equals to minus 50. Okay. 7 I1 minus 22 which is equal to minus 15. Minus 15 I1 minus 15 I1 equals to this is plus minus 44. If I take right side it will become plus 24. Here minus 50 plus 24 minus 15 minus plus 29. This is 29. So I1 becomes I1 becomes 29 by minus 50. 29 by minus 50 ampere. 29 by minus 59. This is our answer. We don't need to calculate I2 and I3 as per the question. If you have to calculate, put this value, just put this value here, you will get I and put this value here, which will become 3 plus 29 minus 29 by 50. Calculate it. Okay. And here put the value 22 plus 11 into 29 minus 29 by 15. 15 whole divided. Calculate.